Ever wondered why anemia, a condition that affects over a third of the world's population, is so widely misunderstood? Today, take a journey into the world of this common but often overlooked condition. Picture this: the human body is a bustling city, and blood is the highway that keeps everything running smoothly. Oxygen, the lifeblood of this city, travels via red blood cells. But what happens when there aren't enough red blood cells or they don't function properly? The city starts to falter. That's the essence of anemia. Anemia is a broad term. It encompasses a myriad of conditions, each with its unique causes, symptoms, and treatments. For instance, Iron-Deficiency Anemia, the most common type, occurs when the body lacks the iron necessary to produce hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that helps them carry oxygen. Without enough iron, the body struggles to produce this vital protein, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. On the other hand, vitamin deficiency anemia, also known as megaloblastic anemia, is due to a deficiency in certain vitamins, particularly vitamin B12 and folate. This deficiency hampers the production of DNA, which is essential for the growth and division of all cells, including red blood cells. The result? Large, immature red blood cells that can't carry oxygen efficiently. Then there's aplastic anemia, a rare but serious condition. Here, the bone marrow fails to produce enough new blood cells, leading to a deficiency of not just red blood cells, but also white blood cells and platelets. This can be caused by exposure to certain toxins, certain medications, or even an autoimmune attack on the bone marrow. Hemolytic anemia is another type. In this case, red blood cells are destroyed faster than the bone marrow can replace them, often due to certain genetic conditions, infections, or autoimmune diseases. Anemia of chronic disease, or anemia of inflammation, is seen in individuals with diseases that affect the body over a long period, such as cancer, HIV/AIDS, rheumatoid arthritis, and kidney disease. These conditions can interfere with the production of red blood cells, leading to anemia. Sickle cell anemia is a severe hereditary form of anemia. A genetic mutation leads to the production of abnormal hemoglobin, which causes red blood cells to become rigid, sticky, and misshapen, like a sickle. These cells can block blood flow, causing severe pain and organ damage. To wrap things up, anemia is not just one condition, but a spectrum of disorders caused by a lack of functional red blood cells. It can result from deficiencies in iron or vitamins, problems with bone marrow, rapid destruction of red blood cells, chronic diseases, or genetic disorders. Each type has its unique causes, symptoms, and treatments, but they all share the common thread of interfering with the body's oxygen supply. Remember, anemia is more than just feeling tired. It's a global issue that affects millions and can have serious, even life-threatening consequences. So the next time you hear the word anemia, think beyond fatigue. Think of the bustling city and its lifeblood and the countless ways this flow can be disrupted.